back in the water and on the way to Halifax. An amazing day today in September 29. So we're crossing right now. Behind us is Bonaventura, the rock, and the island is on this side behind me, right there. So it's an amazing day. We hardly have any wind, so we're kind of motoring. So it gives us a good chance for the motor to see how the motor will work. So Bonaventura Island and the rock right behind us. It's a very touristic area. We're enjoying the trip. It's about 22 degrees, hardly any wind. Cheers. You never know what kind of water hazards you're going to encounter. So here is one, a big, huge floating log right ahead of us. Floating hazard. I've seen bigger than that too. I mean, I guess that's not bad. But here it is, 9 times you can very easily hit it. We're approaching PEI. It's very mild, hardly any wind. So we're still motoring. And the visibility, it's about 6 miles. So I have the radar on. Not a ripple in the water. Finally, after 48 hours sailing from Riviere Renard, we made it to PEI in South Town. It's beautiful October. The 2nd of October, beautiful day. It's cold, it's getting colder, and it's very windy. The big cruise boat just passed us when we're entering. So we're trying to find the yacht club here, and we're going to stay for a couple of days. Next stop after PEI will be Cancel, Fort Hawkesbury, Nova Scotia.